Hello student, let's start our new topic, measurement of length, mass and capacity. So class, for measuring we have three types of unit: length, mass and capacity. So firstly we should know the basic unit of trial. So basic unit of length is meter, for mass is gram and for capacity is liter. So these are the basic unit of length, mass and capacity. Length is used for measuring the height or distance. Mass is used for measuring the weight, like how much kilo weight I have. And capacity is used for measuring the liquid things like 1 liter milk or 1 liter oil and so on. So these are the three units we have to measure the different things in our daily life. So now in this video I will explain you the table of measurement. So class, in table of measurement we have some 7 units there. So our first unit is there, the biggest unit is kilo, after that hecto, then deca, and here is lies basic unit. BU means basic unit. After that deci, centi and milli. Deci, centi, milli. So class, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 base unit. In total 7 unit we have for measuring any length, mass or capacity. If we are considering about length, so what is the basic unit of length is meter. So here kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. If we are talking about gram, kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. And similarly we are talking about capacity. So here basic unit is liter. So kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. So according to the basic unit, our whole table is converted for that. So class, in this table, how we find out what is the distance between kilo and basic unit? Like if I am talking about kilometer, how many meters are there in kilometer? How we find out? How we know that in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter? So class, here is the, in every unit we have the difference of 10. Here is the difference of 10, 10, 10, 10, similarly 10 and 10. In every unit we have the difference between 10. So class, if I am considering about basic unit is there meter or liter or gram, it can be either meter or liter or gram. So class, if I am talking about 1 kilometer में कितना मीटर होता है, how many meters are there in 1 kilometer? So let's take the jump till meter. 1, 2, 3. How many jumps we take? 3 to reach meter. So in 3 jumps, 10, 10, 10. 3 tens occur, that is in 1 kilometers we have 1000 meters. Similarly, if I am talking about gram, in 1 hectogram, how many decagram we have? So in 1 hecto, where is hecto lie there and deca is there. So how many jumps we take there? Only 1, and only 1 jump means 10. So it is very simple class. What we have to do is there, bacha, we have to only count the jumps, and how many jumps we take, we will multiply the jumps and we can easily find the value of this particular number there.